In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to strike through here in Canva. Now, there's actually a couple of different ways that we can do this. Now, the main way, and once you have your text on the canvas just like this, is to simply click onto that text, and then we can come up to this little toolbar, and we're going to click on this one just here, where it says strike through. Now, if we click on there, we now have a strike through on our text. Now, using this feature, we can't actually change the colour of that strike through. So no matter what the colour is of our text, let's go ahead and change this. This will also change the colour of that strike through. So if we change that to red, we now have a red strike through. But there is another way to do this, and that's going to be making your own strike through and utilising lines. So if we come up to elements just here, let's just come off there and then come to shapes. If we click on see all, we can then use this line just here. Now the keyboard shortcut for this as well is L on the keyboard, I believe. So if I tap that, we now have that line. Now from here, we can actually play around with the line style, with it being dashed, a few different dash styles just like that, solid, and then we can also play around with the thickness of this line as well. Let's put it around about there. If we click onto the end, we can make it longer like that on both ends, and then we can also change the colour of this. We're going to come back up to the toolbar just here. If we click on line colour, we can then do any colour that we want. Let's do red, and then we can overlay this on top of the text just like that. And then what we want to do from here is group these together. So if we left click on the mouse, drag, select both together, and then if we click group, this is going to be one element. So now this is grouped together, and we have a different colour strike through on our text. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to strike through here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.